While working on any project, you might come across a scenario wherein you would be needing a certain file which is available in Oracle Cloud, that is in your local computer. So we'll see how we can download or export the file from Oracle Cloud to the local computer using the Cloud Shell. In our previous class, we had seen how we can upload or import the file from our local computer to Oracle Cloud using the Cloud Shell. First of all, you have to launch the Cloud Shell, go into the developer tools, select the Cloud Shell. I have already opened, so it will immediately open for me. If you are opening for the first time, it will take a couple of seconds or a minute. Next, we have to click on this Cloud Shell menu. Similar steps we had used to upload. In order to download, we have to click this download option. So it says you can download the file which is available in the root directory. Currently, I'm in the home or the root directory, that is home/ and the username. I will be giving the same file name. So you have to provide the file name over here in order to download the file. Let me provide the same name over here. I will provide the name which I want to download. Once you provide the name, click on this download. So it will go and retrieve the file and download. So the progress of the download, it will show over here. And as soon as it is downloaded, we can see under the download section. So we can open and we can read the file. Now you might come across a scenario wherein your files are not in the root directory, that is in the home directory. Currently, I am not having any subfolders over here. Let me just create one folder over here with the name files. Done. And now I will move this file, that is Smart Search docx, to the newly created folder, that is the files. Let me just give the command, click on enter. Let me give this as till, because this folder is available under the root directory. Done. Click on enter. Then I have moved the file. Let's verify if the files are there. Not there. Let me just go get into this file folder. Click on enter. Now let's see if I'm having this file under the files folder. Yes, I'm seeing this file. Now let's download the file again. In order to download the file, click on this download. This time I will provide the file name, that is this one, docx. Since we don't have a file this time, as we have moved the file from our root directory to the subdirectory with the name files. Let me just see whether it is able to download. Click on download. It says file does not exist. It's because we have already moved this file to the files directory. Now let's download the file from the files directory. Click on this and click on download. It says it's currently in the // folder, that is in the root directory. We have to tell our file is in files / and then followed by the name. We have to give the directory name. So you can have n number of subdirectories. You can provide the path over here, followed by the file name. Click on download. So the progress of the file download, you can see it over here. So our file got downloaded. So like this, we can download the file from our Oracle Cloud using the Cloud Shell to our local computer very easily. Also, you have to take care of the limitations or the capabilities, whatever is mentioned over here for transferring the files. I'm here in the Oracle Cloud infrastructure documentation. From the table of content, you have to go to developer resources, working with Cloud Shell, and then you have to go to using Cloud Shell. So you have to make sure you are not transferring the files which are greater than 4 GB. You are not transferring the directories. Only one file at a time you can transfer. File permissions are not retained during the transfer. Also, the file names are logged. So make sure file names don't reveal the personally identifiable information.